Hello, I am Karim Khalid Nauman and this Plaxis 2D 3D course. Now we are in Chapter 9, Introduction to Plaxis 3D version 20. Okay, we will speak in this chapter in a few points. My first point is workflow for Plaxis 3D version 20. We will talk in this point about modeling, meshing, calculating results. My second point is what the difference between Plaxis 2D and Plaxis 3D. My third point is Plaxis 3D version 20 software. We will speak about the Plaxis, the face of the software, the tools, everything about Plaxis 3D version 20. My last point is how I can model by using Plaxis 3D version 20. Okay, let's start with first point, workflow for Plaxis 3D version 20. My first point in this point is modeling. My first step and the important step in this step, my mission is how I can model my problem, then is my model is correct or not, then if it's correct, is my model as natural or not, and that's mean the soil profile that I model in Plaxis is the same in nature. Also my main element, so the modeling mean in accuracy way data entry for the project. My next point is meshing. Meshing, FEM, that's mean finite element method, one of mathematical way to solve the equations. It depends on divided the model to engineering shapes like triangle or square or any engineering shape. This divided will called mesh, and engineering shapes we called it elements. On Plaxis we can control in the accuracy of meshing. We can make it very coarse, medium and fine. When the mesh is small, the accuracy is excellent, but it will take a large time. My third point, calculating. In this point, we calculating the model in stages. We divided the model to stages. These stages depending on construction of the system. For example, if we construct a foundation, we model it on Plaxis stage 1, excavate to level X, and apply the loading of digger on soil, that's excavate. Stage 2 construction the foundation. Stage 3 my factor of safety. So in calculating we make it in stages, okay, to calculate in right way. Results, and the last point is results. That's my output that I need to design. Results giving me the effects that happen on my structure. It is showing me the model is safe or not, giving me numbers depending on it to design my model. And what is the difference between Plaxis 2D and Plaxis 3D? My second point. And shall we ask ourselves the difference between Plaxis 2D and Plaxis 3D? Okay, before my answer, I will give you an example. If you have a cubic, a cubic, isometric of a cubic, and have a square, we knowing that the cubic have 6 faces of square, so it's clear to us to know that cubic have 6 square. But if you see the single square, are you sure that is the square one of the same, that one of the faces of cubic? I am not sure about that. So Plaxis 2D not giving you a clear vision. On the opposite side, Plaxis 3D giving you that. And this is the difference or main difference between Plaxis 2D and Plaxis 3D. Plaxis 3D version 20 software. Okay, let's open Plaxis 3D version 20 software. And here we will see old project. Okay, here. And new project, start a new project. If we want to modify old project, we will press on that here. But if meters, meter, kilometer, inch, and forces like that, and time like that. Gravity, it's equal 9.810. The density of water equal 10. My contour, this my paper dimensions. The control in groundwater table from here in head, we can make it -4. It will be here. Okay, and click OK, and you will have your isometry of soil profile. Sand, you will have your borehole, sand soil. Okay, the depth of this borehole is -10.